regardless of the mood. Everybody loves their food. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You keep looking up, well, what's up? It's up.
Do they buy
Yeah, that's
Ready to go?
So when you hold this here, have fun and you prepare the food, huh? Are you crying?
Yeah.
End off right there. I know. The tears keep falling, right?
Try it again because you lengthened the end.
Alright.
Try it a little bit louder.
It's hot.
Eat about half of that. That's the jalapeno. This here is the hotter one.
One, two. Cheers.
I mean, I'll start crying if I have to.
Okay, Jack?
Don't give me a second piece might be a bad idea. Alright. Being a second piece is a bad idea!
It's time to snitchel. Snitchel. Snitchel.
Gonna add some more spinach. You want the squash, don't you?
What kind of what? I know.
Magic here, magic. Coconut milk.
Bye.